Welcome back to my massive 1 to 200 scale recreation of Dubai International Airport. In this video, I will be showing you how to build realistic jet bridges for your model airport with only household materials. Make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Now here we have a full outline of the jetway. So this top part here is the jet bridge from the side view that's completed. So you'll see we have two pieces for the retractable tunnel. So this would end up going inside like this, and that's how you get it to move. And right here, this is the connection point for the cab to the tunnel, which makes it rotate. And we'll get to that later in the video. Now this bottom portion just shows all of the different pieces that I'm going to put together in the video. So let's get into the time lapse, and I hope you enjoy. Feel free to follow along. Alright, all of the pieces are now cut out. In this next step, I'm going to start to tape them together to form the main tunnel section. Make sure to watch closely. And just like that, the retractable tunnel section is complete. Next, I can add the details using a Sharpie paint marker. Now it's time to start designing the cab. This is the front part of the jetway that rotates and attaches to the aircraft. All I did was fold a piece of paper 5 times and then cut it in the shape. Then I'm going to use this Sharpie paint marker to design that retractable canopy. In this next step, you'll see me attach it using the rotating mechanism I showed you in the first part of this video. Now in the end, your jet bridges should look just like this. Next, I have to build the part where the jet bridges connect to. This is going to look different for all model airports. Dubai's looks like this. I'm not sure exactly what this building is called, but it's pretty massive. Let's get into the time lapse. And that concludes this video. This is what the final setup looks like next to an Airbus A380. Looks absolutely amazing. Once again, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time.